Alright, class, today we're diving into the world of Microsoft Word. It's a powerful tool for bringing your ideas to life through words.
Is Microsoft Word just for typing essays?
Not at all. Microsoft Word is versatile. You can use it for letters, stories, essays, and even school projects. Now, let's talk about opening MS Word. First, locate the MS Word icon on your desktop or Start menu. Saving your work ensures that your progress is preserved in case of unexpected events like power outages or computer crashes. Let's say you want to make some changes to your document. The first step is to select the text you want to edit. These options allow you to customize your text to make it stand out or convey emphasis. Think of undo and redo like your document's time travel buttons. They let you go back or move forward in your editing history.
If I accidentally delete something, I can bring it back with undo.
Exactly. It's a handy feature for correcting mistakes. With cut, copy, and paste, you can rearrange or duplicate text effortlessly.
Can I use these commands to move paragraphs around?
Absolutely. They are great for organizing your ideas within a document. Spelling and grammar checks ensure that your work is not only creative, but also accurate.
What if I don't agree with the suggested corrections?
You can always review the suggestions and choose to accept or ignore them based on your judgment. Remember, Microsoft Word is your creative space where ideas come to life. Practice, experiment, and let your imagination flow.